Welcome to our channel. Lake Como, one of Italy's most stunning destinations, is known for its crystal clear waters, charming villages, and breathtaking views. Nestled in the foothills of the Alps, this beautiful lake offers a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and history. Whether you're into outdoor activities, cultural experiences, or simply enjoying scenic beauty, Lake Como has something for everyone. So let's dive into the top 10 things to do with this magical place. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel content. 1. Take a boat tour of Lake Como. The best way to experience Lake Como is from the water. Taking a boat tour allows you to see the magnificent shoreline dotted with historic villas, lush gardens, and picturesque villages. During the tour, you'll have the opportunity to admire the stunning views of the surrounding Alps while learning about the history of the lake and its iconic landmarks. For a more personalized experience, you can rent a private boat and explore the lake at your own pace. Whether you prefer a leisurely cruise or an exciting speedboat adventure, a boat tour of Lake Como is an unforgettable way to discover the beauty of this enchanting destination. 2. Visit Villa del Balbianello. One of the most famous landmarks around Lake Como is the Villa del Balbianello, a stunning villa located on a picturesque peninsula in Lago. The villa, which dates back to the 18th century, is renowned for its beautiful architecture, luxurious gardens, and panoramic views of the lake. The villa is a popular spot for weddings and film shoots, having appeared in movies like James Bond's Casino Royale and Star Wars, Episode 2: Attack of the Clones. You can take a guided tour of the villa, where you'll learn about its fascinating history and explore its elegant rooms, terraces, and gardens. The villa's location offers some of the most breathtaking views of Lake Como, making it a must-visit for anyone touring the region. 3. Explore the town of Bellagio. Known as the Pearl of Lake Como, Bellagio is one of the most charming and picturesque towns on the lake. Located at the point where the lake splits into two branches, Bellagio offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and waters. Wander through the cobblestone streets, lined with boutiques, cafes and restaurants, or relaxed in one of the town's lovely parks overlooking the lake. Bellagio is also home to beautiful villas, such as Villa Melzi, which boasts magnificent gardens and sculptures. Whether you're shopping for souvenirs, enjoying a traditional Italian meal, or simply soaking in the views, Bellagio is a must-visit stop when exploring Lake Como. 4. Hike the Greenway del Lago di Como. For those who love outdoor activities, the Greenway del Lago di Como offers one of the best hiking trails in the region. This 10-kilometer path takes you through charming villages, lush forests, and scenic viewpoints, all while offering spectacular views of Lake Como. The trail is suitable for hikers of all levels and is perfect for those looking to enjoy the natural beauty of the area. Along the way, you'll pass historical sites, beautiful gardens, and traditional Italian homes, making the hike both a cultural and scenic experience. The Greenway is a peaceful and relaxing way to experience the charm of Lake Como's landscapes. 5. Visit Villa Carlotta. Villa Carlotta, located in the town of Tremezzo, is another stunning villa on the shores of Lake Como. Built in the 17th century, this villa is famous for its beautiful botanical gardens, which feature a wide variety of plants, flowers, and trees. In the spring, the gardens burst into a colorful display, making it a popular time to visit. Inside the villa, you can explore a collection of art, including sculptures, paintings, and furniture. The villa's scenic gardens and impressive art collection make it an essential stop for anyone visiting Lake Como, whether you're a nature lover or an art enthusiast. 6. Take a cable car to Brunate. For panoramic views of Lake Como and the surrounding Alps, take a ride on the funicular railway up to Brunate, a small village located high above the lake. The cable car offers stunning views as it ascends, and once at the top, you'll be treated to spectacular vistas of the lake, the city of Como, and the nearby mountains. Brunate is a great place to enjoy a peaceful escape from the more tourist-heavy areas around the lake. You can explore its quaint streets, visit the beautiful Santuario della Madonna de Fatima, or simply relax and enjoy the breathtaking views. 7. Visit Como Cathedral. The Cathedral of Como, or Duomo di Como, is a magnificent example of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Located in the heart of the city, this impressive cathedral is known for its intricate facade, stunning interior, and beautiful artworks. The cathedral's construction took several centuries, resulting in a blend of architectural styles that give it a unique and striking appearance. Inside, you'll find beautiful stained glass windows, detailed sculptures, and a peaceful atmosphere. A visit to Como Cathedral is a must for anyone interested in history, architecture, or simply looking to enjoy the cultural heritage of Lake Como. 8. Relax at Lido di Bellagio. If you're looking to unwind and enjoy some time by the water, Lido di Bellagio is the perfect spot. This lakeside beach club offers a relaxing atmosphere with sunbeds, a swimming pool, and a bar where you can enjoy a refreshing drink while taking in the stunning views of Lake Como. Lido di Bellagio is also great for families as it offers a safe and fun environment for children to play. Whether you want to swim, sunbathe, or just enjoy the serenity of the lake, Lido di Bellagio provides a perfect way to relax and unwind. 9. Explore the town of Varenna. Varenna is another charming town on the shores of Lake Como, known for its narrow streets, colorful houses, and breathtaking views. The town is a great place to wander around, visit local shops, and enjoy traditional Italian cuisine at one of the many lakeside restaurants. Varenna is also home to Villa Monastero, a historic villa with beautiful gardens that stretch along the lake's edge. The villa hosts art exhibitions and cultural events, making it an interesting spot to explore. With its peaceful atmosphere and scenic surroundings, Varenna is the perfect place for a relaxing day by the lake. 10. Enjoy the local cuisine. Lake Como is known for its delicious Italian cuisine, and there's no better way to experience the region than through its food. Fresh lake fish, like perch and trout, is often served in local restaurants, along with classic Italian dishes such as risotto and pasta. Be sure to try the local specialty misoltini, which are sun-dried fish served with polenta. In addition to traditional meals, Lake Como is also home to a variety of delightful cafes and bakeries where you can sample local pastries, gelato, and espresso. Whether you're dining in a lakeside restaurant or enjoying a casual meal at a cafe, the food around Lake Como will leave you craving more. From boat tours and historic villas to charming towns and scenic hikes, Lake Como offers a wide range of activities that will make your trip unforgettable. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels, and we'll see you in the next video.